The oil and gas industry is fast-paced, but without the pressure vessels, piping, and structural components needed to support expansion or maintenance projects, things quickly grind to a halt. Every minute you are not working costs money, which is why you need world-class vessels and industrial weldments from a dedicated team of engineers, designers, and fabricators who deliver when you need it, anywhere throughout the Americas. Certified professionals that support any size, any scale, and any specialty product with fabricated solutions that meet rigorous industry standards and is backed up by decades of experience. That company is Broadwind Energy. Broadwind Energy provides critical products with unmatched precision. As a full-service manufacturer specializing in custom fabrications and heavy weldments, we handle over 100,000 tons of steel annually. So when it comes to pressure vessels and piping, we can handle any wall thicknesses. And structurally speaking, we're experts with high tensile steel, including all alloys and materials with fabrications reaching up to 250 tons. Our fully certified engineers and fabricators have been delivering turnkey solutions for nearly a century, building professional partnerships with all of our clients, whatever the industry. We're strategically located to make sure that we're there when you need us with quick responsiveness and cost-effective, on-time deliveries. Because when you get right down to it, you need reliable precision fabrications exactly when and where you need them from a dedicated partner with a track record of excellence and a history of handling the most challenging projects for some of the most demanding clients in the world. That partner is Broadwind Energy, your partner for fabrications.